Hello, my fellow subscribers. Welcome to Adike's InfoTech channel. Today I'm going to share one good news that till now I have got 50 subscribers for my videos. I really thank each and everyone for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos, and as well as supporting me to upload new videos every day. So now we are going to explain about one more interview question, which is in from Informatica background. Explain and how can you remove duplicates using lookup transformation? So far we know that to remove duplicates we have so many workarounds like if you use by using source quality transformation, you can override query, right? There you can remove the duplicates. And if you use sorter, and that if you select the distinct option, then we can remove the duplicates. And by using filter also you can remove the duplicates like uh, generate a sequence for the source records. So we'll use one aggregator and take one additional port in aggregator transformation like total count. So after that you can use filter where the count is greater than 1, then those will be duplicates, right? So we just filter sequence. So, so by using that also you can just pass all the unique records to the one target and duplicates to one target. So in that way also you can remove the duplicates, right? So now the interviewer will ask you, how can you remove duplicates using lookup transformation? So if you see in lookup transformation, we don't have any select option, sorry, distinct option, right? In lookup transformation, I'll just show you here how we can achieve this. So in lookup, we don't have any filter options to remove the duplicates. So how can you remove the duplicates by using lookup transformation? As you all know that we have a catches, right, in lookup transformation. So we have different catches, static catch, dynamic catch, shared catch, persistent catch, and we do have many, but basically we use only these three or four catches regularly. So in real-time scenario, we use more is the dynamic catch and static catch, and based on the situations or based on the business requirement, we will use persistence catching. So we can remove the duplicates by using lookup transformations. By using dynamic lookup catch. By using dynamic lookup catch, we can remove the duplicates. So as you all, if you are aware of this dynamic lookup catch, what this will do? This dynamic lookup catch will update the cache, right? Suppose we first you have a source table and want to load it into the target, and you are using lookup transformation and you selected as a dynamic lookup catch. What this Informatica will do? So basically, dynamic lookup catch is used to update the cache. Okay. So integration service dynamically inserts or updates the data in the lookup cache. So integration service itself, it will insert or updates the data in the lookup cache, and that data will transfer to the target table. Okay, but you can ask me one question. Okay, you are saying that insert or update, but how can you remove the duplicates? So as you know, when you enable the dynamic lookup cache option, what this will do, it will create one new lookup row. Okay, it will create one new lookup row. So what this new lookup row will do, we have a values 0, 1, 2. So 0 means no update. Okay, 1 means it will insert. 2 means update. So these are the three values we need to remember, because we will come up with these kind of values in one more transformation, which is update transformation, right? So update update transformation, we do have these values. What we have: 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here, what this 0 will do in update transformation: 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 0 means it will. Can anyone guess what are these values: 0, 1, 2, 3? So 0 is insert, 1 is update, 2 is delete, reject. So we have the same values but different approaches. Okay. So in the dynamic lookup, 0 means no update, 1 is insert, 2 is update. But in transformation, update strategy transformation, 0 is insert, 1 is update, 2 is delete, and 3 is reject. So I request you to all remember these values, because in interview you might get confused, like for dynamic lookup, the new lookup row value is 0, what this action will do, or new lookup value is 1, what this action will do. They will ask you like this, but you might get confused, like you will just say one update. Even I have interviewed I have interviewed the candidates in my project. So they will be telling these values only. They are not telling uh, related to the dynamic lookup values. I'll ask them what is one value will do in dynamic lookup. They will say update. It's not update, right? It is insert. Who is update? Okay, you remember these values. Don't get confused. Okay. Yeah. Coming back to the question. So how we can remove the duplicates? So here, one is insert, two is update. Suppose we have let's go with the practical session. So this is the table I have, source. Okay. So 100 employee IDs, name, and the salary. So 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I don't have any duplicates here. Okay. Let's see, in the target I have created the same table: employee name, employee ID, name, and salary. So I don't have any records here. So first, let's say I have let's import the source and target. So I'm connecting the source database. Uh, what is that? Employees. So this is a table. So I have imported, and go to target, import the same table from target schema. So these are the tables. Okay. I'll just create mapping underscore dynamic lookup. Okay. So I'll just drag and drop the source and target. So what we need to do, we need to look up to update or insert the data. So we need to look up on the target, right? I'll just take lookup transformation here. So look, I'm looking up the data on the target. Okay. Now I'll just drag and drop all the columns in source. So now we have source and target columns here. If you get confused, I'll just rename it as a yes, so that you can clearly understand these columns are coming from the source. Okay. So if you go to the properties here, you can see the caches, data cache, index cache, and the dynamic lookup cache. Right. Just enable this dynamic lookup cache. Okay. If you go to the ports here, now you can see new lookup row. It has generated one lookup column, one new lookup column, right? So now what we need to do, just apply. Okay. So if you want to update or insert in the target table, we need to compare each column, right? So employee to employee, we need to compare so that we will come to know whether it is a insert or update. Same way name, same way salary. So we need to compare each columns. So how can we compare here? Once you enable that, you will get an option here. You will get one new port, right? New lookup row, and you will get this associated expression. You can see here associated port for lookup updates. So we use this for update in the target table. So you need to compare each column from source to target. Okay. So these are the target columns and we are comparing with the source column. Okay, now we are done with this and give a condition employee equal to employee. Okay, and go to properties. Here you can see insert else update, update else insert. You have to enable these two. Okay, apply. Okay. So now what we have to do? We need to wrote the records, right? Insert goes to insert table, update go to update table. So to do that, let's pass all these columns to one expression, or else you can pass directly insert to insert the records. You can directly pass the columns from here from lookup to target. Or else if you want route the reps by using rotor, you can also use the rotor. Just take rotor transformation. In dynamic lookup, you need to remember one thing. You should always pass the target columns from the lookup, not the source columns. So this is the only one scenario you need to remember, not the source columns. You need to pass the target columns here. So I'm just passing. Let's create groups here. Insert and update. Insert group and update group. So now we need to define logic here. So lookup row equal to 1, which means it will insert. So we discussed that here. 1 is insert, 2 is update. We'll apply the same thing here. Insert is 1, update is 2. Validate it. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now what you have to do? Just pass all the columns for inserting and just copy and pasting the same table. So which means it's an instance to the target. If you want to rename the target table, so you can rename it so that you will understand like here it is insert update. So to update, we should have an update strategy transformation. So let's drag and drop. This is not required. So for update, just pass all these columns to update strategy transformation and pass it to the target table. So here you need to give the properties, update strategy expression. What you have to do, it's a DD update, right? Or else you can give the values. Update is 1. And then, okay, apply, okay. So here it is, this thing is update, it will update the records, okay, and here we are routing based on new lookup row. If it is 1, it will go to insert. If it is 2, it should go to update. And in update strategy, we are updating. So we have to use DD update or 1. Let's save it. Now you can see the mapping is valid. Arrange all. So this is how the mapping will look like. Let's generate workflow. So here you need to give the target, connection as target, and lookup, we are looking up on target, right? Next, next, finish. So go to workflow manager, workflows. So here the mapping, just to cross check whether all the connections are right or not. Here it's normal. This is also normal. Lookup, it's a target value is there. If you want, you can use the object. Apply, okay, save it. So now the session is valid. So if you see here, we have 11 records, and in target we don't have any records, right? So let's run the workflow. What succeeded? So we got 11 from source and 11 has been inserted. If you see, this is the insert table and this is the update one. So it is insert. So what it is doing here, it is comparing 3 columns. Since in the target table we don't have any records, right? So that's why it is inserting. So it will insert new lookup row value got as 1. So 1 means which is insert. So here here in the router we are passing the insert to the insert table. Let's say uh, we'll just update one column in this from the source. Salary equal to 9,999 for the employee ID 100. Okay, let's update. One row is updated. Now you can see for 100 employee ID, the salary is updated to 9,999. So 9,999. Let's check in the target. Here we have 500 salary. Okay, let's run the workflow again. So this time it should update, not insert. So as you see here, it is an insert tablet, 0 it is inserted, update it is 1 updated, 1 row it is updated. Let's check in the table. See, for 100 it is in salary is updated as 999. In the same way, let's insert. Case equal 1 90,000. So I am inserting. So if you see here, 12th row I have inserted. The employee is 111, name Rakesh, 90,000 salary. So if you run the job again, it should insert. See, now here the record went to the insert table. If you check in the target, so now triple one Rakesh is inserted. So how we can remove the duplicates in the sense this way. Suppose if you give, uh, let me pause the same 100 Jennifer and triple nine insert 100 Jennifer triple nine. Okay, comment. So I have inserted this 100. We have 100 Jennifer triple nine. 100 Jennifer triple. We have a same values. Okay. Now let's try to run the job. Here you can see total 12 records, right? Let's rerun this job. Whether it will update or insert, let's see. You can see here total 13 are there. It's not inserted or updated. Okay. See, 100 we have only one value. Now you will come to know, right? We have removed the duplicate record. So the dynamic lookup will, it will in the lookup itself, the integration service will check the records whether it is insert or update or there is no any change. Here no change. It's not a no update, it's a no change. So in this way it will compare, the dynamic lookup will compare if there are records coming with the same values. So it will compare in the lookup cache, dynamic lookup cache, whether 100 is available in the target or not. Here in this case it is available. Okay, and the name is also matching, and the source salary is 9,999. Here salary is also matching. So it will compare here, right? It will compare the columns and it will generate one lookup row as 0 since there is no change. So it doesn't have to insert or update in the target table. So the main thing is integration service. It will compare the values in the lookup cache. Based on that, it will generate a new lookup value. So based on this value, we will route the table. We will route the record to the target table. So in this way, you can remove the duplicates by using dynamic lookup cache. So I hope you guys understood. It's very simple one, but the only thing is you need to remember these values carefully. Otherwise, you will get confused. Even though we have the similar values in one or another transformation, which is the uh, TCL transformation. TCL transformation also we have the values that 0 means what is that 0 and 1. 0 means commit before, continue transaction. Commit before or after this we will use based on the uh, data, and one is continue transaction. So in teaser also we have these values. So do remember these values clearly so that you will not get confused in the interview. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I really thankful to all my subscribers. For all my 50 subscribers, I have reached 50 for till today. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my videos, and please keep subscribing to my channel so that it will uh, give boost to me so that I will update all the videos. Or if you have any interview questions that you are not able to clear, or you are not able to understand, or you are not able to practice, please comment in the comment section so that I'll try to explain you in a simple way. You will understand it clearly and you can easily crack the interviews. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe.